Morning students. In this period I am going to introduce you a new chapter, decimals. In class 6 we have read about decimal numbers, their representation on number line and their comparison. Therefore we have also read about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Here we will learn about multiplication and decimal of decimal numbers. Revision. Here we are given a is equal to 5, 7. Revision of decimal numbers. A बराबर 5, 7, 4. A is equal to 574.236. We are given a decimal number. Here we see that 5 occurs at hundreds place in the number A. 7 occurs at tens place, and 4 occurs at units place. 2 occurs at tens place. 3 occurs at hundreds place, and 5 occurs at thousands place. So in expanded form we can write is equal to 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus, for 2 we can write 2 into 1 by 10, because 2 is at the tenth place. 2 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 plus 6 into 1 by 1000. So in expanded form we can write as 500 plus is equal to 500 plus 70 plus 4 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Now we expand it as 500 plus 7 plus 4, adding we have 574 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 6 by 100. You can write in expanded form 6 by 1000. Now we are going to teach you about comparison of decimal numbers, which is greater or smaller. We are given two numbers. 232.7. Example 23 point, compare 23.257 and 23.258 and 258. Both numbers are decimal numbers. In both the numbers, whole part means integral part. Whole part is 23, which is same. Now we see their decimal part. We see that on moving left to right at tenth place in both decimal number is same, 2, and at hundredth place 5 is same, and at thousandth place in first number is 7, and in second decimal number is 8. Here we see that integral part is same in both decimal number, and tenth and hundredth place is also same in both numbers, but but at the thousands place, 7 is less than 8. So we can write that here 7 less than 8. So comparing both the numbers, we can write 23.257 is less than 23.258. First number is less than the second number. If you have to compare the given decimal number which is greater or smaller, then we at first compare from the integral part, and after that we compare the decimal part. In decimal part we see that 7 is less than 8. So here athva we can write 23.258 is greater than 23.257. So in this way we can compare. Example, very often we are required to change lower units of length, weight and volume in higher units. For this we are required to divide. If, as for example, 4 centimeter. Example 4 centimeter. Example 4 centimeter. We can write 4 by 100 meter. 4 by 100 meter is equal to 0.04. We can write in decimal part 0.04 meter. So if the question is given in a lower limit, you can convert it into higher units. Here unit of 4 is centimeter, so we can convert it into meter, divide by 100. If, as for example, 350 gram, 350 gram, and you have to change in decimal fraction, you can divide it by 1000, because 1 kg is equal to 1 kg is equal to 1000. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1000. So if you divide by 1000 is equal to 0.350 kg. We can write it in higher unit. 350 gram is equal to 0.350 kg. Now converting, one more example I am going to. One by 2 and 3 by 4. Converting 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 in decimal fraction. In decimal fraction by division method. By division method. Converting 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 in decimal fraction by division method. भाग विधि द्वारा 1/2 और 3/4 को दशमलव भिन्न में बदलो. Here 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 if we divide 1 by 2, we cannot divide in 1 by 2 because 1 is less than 2. In rational number 1 by 2, we see that we cannot divide 1 by 2 because 1 is less than 2. Therefore, we write 0 in the quotient. We write 0 after giving decimal point, 0 point, and 1 0. We write 1 0. We put in dividend, and now we divide. Is equal to so in decimal form 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Again 3 by 4. Here we see that 3 is less than 4. We cannot divide it, but using decimal you can divide it. Dividing 3 by 4, 3 is less than, so we put 1 0 in the quotient. 1 0 in the quotient, and after that we put decimal in the quotient and 1 0 in the dividend. So we have 30. Now we can divide 30 by 4. 4 7 are 28. On subtracting 2, again 1 0 we write in the dividend, and after dividing 5 as quotient, 4 5 are 20. So the decimal form of the fraction 3 by 4 is equal to 0.75. Now you have to compare that which is greater अथवा which is smaller. So here integral part of both the decimal fraction is same, but in decimal part we see that at 10th place it is 5, and in 3 by 4 at 10th place is 7. So here 7 is greater than 5. So 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2. In this method, in this way, we can compare the both fractions which is greater or smaller. If you are given two numbers in fraction and you have to compare that which is greater, so at first you divide it and change into decimal form. And see that the integral part of the both decimal number, and after that see the decimal part. In both decimal fraction we see that 7 is greater than 5, so 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2. In this way we can compare the now. Similarly you can solve and you will try to at first solve the examples of this exercise, and after that you can start exercise 3.1. Your problem will be solved in next class. Thank you.